Hello everyone. Once Paulo Coelho said, a child can teach an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, to always be busy with something, and to know how to demand with all his might that which he desires.
As all of you know, today is a very special day. Yes, today is Children's Day. Moreover, today is the birth anniversary of our very first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Due to his deep affection towards children, he is known as Chacha Nehru. And his birthday, which falls on November 14th, is celebrated as Children's Day. As this pandemic restricts us for a normal function, let me take the privilege to welcome you all towards our online Children's Day celebrations. Just sit back and enjoy.
Overcoming all the limits imposed by COVID-19, Cochin Public School is here with a lot of programs to entertain you to the best. So let's start by hearing a few words from a manager, Dr. Anwar Hassan.
Hello. Good morning. I am the manager, Cochin Public School. She's my daughter Farah. She reminds me of my childhood actually. Everything I learned and what I'm practicing right now. Just for the information of the kids, I'm a doctor working in Government Hospital at Ernakulam. Everything I learned from my childhood. Starting with keep up the timing, reading habits, discipline, playing new games, learning new things. Everything I learned from my childhood. I'm happy that I'm able to practice that right now, until now in my life. What I would like to tell to my kids is that time is irreversible. Learn new things. Pandemic will end in a day or two. Make sure that you spend your time wisely, learning new things and not spending much time in front of the screen. Enjoy your life, enjoy your day, learn new steps, attend the classes, keep inspiring others and keep learning. Thank you. Happy Children's Day once again to all.
And now we have a message from our principal, Sophia ma'am.
Good morning all of you. I wish you all a happy Children's Day. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought us all home together with our families. We are celebrating Children's Day in a virtual platform. 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru was well known for his love and care towards children. He was a friend of children, loving and keeping them precious in his heart. So children were calling him as Chacha Nehru. Nehru worked more for the welfare, progress and education of the children. Nehru once said, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The future of our nation depends on the way we treat our children today. We should provide proper education and good moral values to them. Dear children, always see yourself as good human beings and nurture the right attitude. You should respect and show gratitude to those who help in your lives. Your sweet memories will always remain in our heart. I wish all the best in your future. Thank you.
And now let's hear a few words from our academic director, Mrs. Fahmida ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, mercy and blessings of the Almighty be upon you all. Children of today will make the India of tomorrow. This was the vision of our great leader Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And dear children, we must strive to achieve it. This pandemic is a threat to the world, but let's take this as an opportunity to paint this world with our own colors. This is a good time to enhance our knowledge and to improve our skills by using our time wisely. As our great leader quoted, time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, feels, and one achieves. So, my dear children, on this occasion of Children's Day, let's take a pledge to uphold the moral values, to respect our parents, teachers, and elders, to show compassion and empathy, and to leave your signature of excellence wherever you are. Thank you. Stay safe.
We live in a world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open, says Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, to entertain you to the best, we have a little star, Muhammad Sajid of class 2C, who is dressed up as Nehru.
Hello all! Did you all recognize me? I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. I was born on November 14th, and thus 14th of November is celebrated as Children's Day across our country. Do you know why? It is because I am a person who is immensely popular among children, and so I am fondly called Chacha Nehru by children all around India. Children love me immensely. I strongly believe that the children of today will make the leaders of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. So, this Children's Day, let's take a pledge to ensure that every child in our country enjoys equal rights, safety, and quality education. I wish you all a very happy.
Good advices are always a treasure to hold on. Now we have a few messages from our beloved teachers.
Hello my dear children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe home. Wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day to my dear students. On this very special day, let us all celebrate the innocence and purity of our kids. Let them feel precious in every way that we can, because they are our future. If we want to see our future filled with happiness and harmony, we must teach our kids to be a good human being more than anything else. Once again, Happy Children's Day.
The most precious thing in this world is a smile on the face of the child. You are very special to us. Happy Children's Day.
मेरे प्रिय बच्चों, नमस्ते। बच्चों, आपको मालूम है कि आज कौन सा दिन है? हाँ, आज आपका दिन है, माने बाल दिवस। 14 नवंबर भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्मदिन है। वे बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करते थे। बच्चे उन्हें प्यार से चाचा जी पुकारते थे। अपने व्यस्त जीवन में भी वे समय निकालकर बच्चों के साथ खेलना पसंद करते थे। हर साल हम बड़ी खुशी से 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस मनाते हैं। इस अवसर पर हिंदी विभाग की तरफ से आप सबको बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, children. So today is November 14th, Children's Day, right? So our first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Okay, so every children in this world is very special in his own way, and so are you. You are the reason for all of our smile and happiness. So once again, I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Nehru is also known and will always be remembered as the architect of modern India for his contributions in framing India into a modern nation. As a tribute to him, here is a presentation by the staff and students of CPS. We have Lakshmi Priya and Ashwini to present it.
We must remember that what our governments are doing today will set the tone for future administrations. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. These immortal words of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India, had made an impact not only in our society but also a motivation for our leaders to disperse their duties with responsibility and dedication. Being one of the major freedom fighters and the first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru is considered as the architect of modern India. As a Prime Minister, he brought several policies and successful developments to the once subjacent country. He introduced republicanism, election policies, economic policies, and various social policies for the modernity of India. He also brought into light many foreign policies and believed in proving ourselves and our capabilities and speaking of Gandhian ideals of peace. Though there were many attempts of assassination on Nehru, he ultimately died due to natural causes. He died on 27 May 1964 due to a heart attack. Failure comes only when we forget our ideals, objectives, and principles. Let all of us remember this great personality for the good deeds he did to build a modern India. Thank you.
Music and rhythm find their way into the secret places of the soul. Now we have our Sandhya Miss to take you to another world. Just sit back and enjoy.
मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्री आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्री जननी पृथिवी कामदुःखास्ते जननी पृथिवी कामदुःखास्ते जनको देवः सकलदयालो जनको देवः सकलदयालो दाम्यदत्त दयत्वं जनत दाम्यदत्त दयत्वं जनत श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां
Children can always add special colors to our life. So here comes our beautiful little divas in their wonderful attires to entertain you all.
Hello everyone, I am Asmin Faisal of class 2A. Today I am going to present Princess Aurora, the Sleeping Beauty. I am Princess Aurora, Hi there, I am Pinocchio. Look at my nose. My nose is longer and longer. You know why? I met a fairy. She told me when I tell lie, my nose will get longer and longer. Now how will I get better? I am in a hurry. Bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My special teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Inaya Fatima and I am studying in 1C of Cochin Public School. Today I am dressed up like my favorite cartoon character, Elsa from Frozen. I am Elsa, the princess of Arendelle. I have special powers. I can turn anything to ice. At first, I was scared and thought why I had this curse. But now, I realize when I feel scared, these powers become a curse. When I feel happy and confident, these same powers become special and I can do something amazing. So friends, believe in yourself and get up and let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Cool never bothered me anyway. Let it go. Let it go. I'm one with wind and sky. Let it go. Let it go. They'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway. Thank you. Respected teachers and judges, my name is Nia. I am studying in class 2B. I am a fairy. I have magical powers. I can fly high and touch the skies. I love children and send them gifts. I protect children from bad people. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Yadindev Sandosh. I am studying in second A. I am going to act like Aladdin. I got a magic lamp. I am very happy now. I will get whatever I want. Look here. Genie will come now. Wow! Genie! Genie, I want lollipops, ice creams and toys. Oh, yummy! Genie, thank you, Genie. Genie, I want one more thing. Please destroy all the coronaviruses from this world. Oh, Genie destroyed all the coronaviruses. We go to school now. Enjoy. Thank you. Bumpy dog. Bumpy dog goes everywhere with him. Now his best friends are Big Ears, Tessie Bear, Bumpy Dog and the Tubby Bear. Big Ears, who brought him to Toyland, is the most important figure in his life. I love to read and watch them on TV. Thank you. I am Masha. I am little bit naughty. The bear is my best friend. He is a retired circus bear who decided to live quiet in the forest. But he says, when I enter the forest, his peaceful life is stopped. I have lot of friends in the forest. The pig, the fox, the rabbit, the goat and the dog. Telling about me, I am an extremely active little girl who can sit still on one place.